this video, we're going to show you how to change your ReSound wax filter. First, you'll need your pack of your ReSound wax filters. Then you will need your ReSound hearing device. Remove the dome from the tip of the receiver. And inside the receiver is the wax filter, which is the white piece that we are going to replace. Open the wax filter kit and remove one of the black sticks. On one end of this stick is the removal tool, and on the other end of this stick is the new filter. Snap the wax filter removal tool into the receiver, spin it around, and push the new filter into the receiver. Place the dome back on the tip of the receiver and make sure it's snug so that it doesn't fall off or get stuck in your ear. And that's all there is to it. To learn more, be sure to click subscribe and ring the bell for notifications on videos just like this one.